everyone, this is Fred from 4x4shop. Today I want to show you our latest 360 camera that we can add to our 10.25 inch Android screen. This is a 2016 Lexus NX. So we add basically 4 cameras. This is the whole piece that it replaces, and the backup camera is built into it. This is the second one. This is the front camera. And this vehicle comes with original backup camera, but it doesn't support the 360, and it's not a 360 camera, so we have to add our 360 camera, which replaces the factory license plate light. So this is our Android screen that we have a lot of videos, and we have a lot of reviews on how you can do Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and this is the replacement for the small size screen. The car came with the knob. Also, we do have the one that the car comes with the touch. But anyways, you have a lot of videos of those units. This is just to explain how the 360 camera works. Our units are basically have 4 inputs for 360 cameras already. So you can add these cameras to it. 4 cameras, one at the front, 2 on the sides, and 1 at the back. So when we go to reverse, it shifts to backup camera, and you have the 360 camera on the other side. You can change the view to front, to left, to right, manually by touching the screen. Also, I go back to park. Also, the other function that you can have is the 360 camera, but 3D. So you can change it to 3D, and then you have the 3D backup camera. So you can have the angle of 360 backup camera. And I'm gonna go for a ride and I show you the rest. So now I'm going for a ride and I show you how the blind spot and 360 camera works. I'm getting close to do a right turn. So that's my blind spot, and that's a 360 camera right there. And also I can change it to 360 camera. By turning right, you can see how it shows the blind spot, and also the signal light blinking too, which is a cool feature. And if I want to turn left, it shows my blind spot on the left side. And again, I can change the view of my car just by touching the screen. if you are interested to get these 360 cameras, these are compatible with our screens. You can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, and one of our technicians will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you and have a great day. So this is to show the blind spot. Technically you can see the cars on your blind spot. If anything coming from left or right, you can see them clearly. Let's say I want to do a safe park between two cars. It's as simple as this.